Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update firmware on GoPro Mission 1 using Quilk application. So first of all, we have to download and install the Quilk on our smartphone. It can be an iPhone or an Android device. In case of Android smartphones, you have to search for it in Google Play Store. In case of iPhones, of course, the App Store. Just open the search menu and search for Quilk. Download this application and then open it. Now we want to connect our app to our GoPro. To do that, let's turn it on. Let's swipe down the control center on our camera, and now let's swipe left to select connect device option. Now we're gonna have to go to the GoPro section within the Quilk application and tap connect a GoPro. Tap connect and wait until your camera is connected. Okay, now we can rename our camera, but it's not important for now. Tap let's go, and now we're gonna have to tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the camera, and then select power off your GoPro to turn it off. Then let's turn it on again. Let's stop right here to power it on quickly. And now if this application detects any firmware update for our camera, we'll be able to download it instantly by selecting the download option on our smartphone. But as you can see, the current firmware version is up to date with the latest one. Therefore, we cannot update our camera right now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.